On today's episode, we installed the radiator and welded the
shock mounts?
shock mounts.
Yeah. Now what are you working on? What is it?
A monitor that sees how my rockets have been launched.
Oh. Is that for SpaceX?
Yeah.
All right. So I was having trouble with the stock detent balls. I wasn't able to shift it into gear. So. So I am pretty shocked that this stock LAT hose fits really close. This one, I'm gonna trim it up a little bit. I'm gonna trim this one up, probably shorten this a little bit, keep this elbow here, clamp it on like that, shorten that up a bit, and then I'll run the steam port line up and around and into my bung that I welded in. All right. It's got a little kink there, but I think it's fine. If I got to shorten it later in the future, I will. But I like the way that looks. All right, the radiator is plumbed. I got some 1/4-inch fuel injection line hose for the steam port using the stock clips. And that's clamped on. It's looking good. On to the next. So yeah, we're back in the garage. We're gonna get these shocks mounted. I got the shock mount from WFO. And we're gonna get them mounted on the 14 bolt. What I think I'm gonna do is get the bolt hole center of the tube. Kind of keeps the axle clean underneath for clearance and allow the shock more droop while we're off-roading. And it just looks cleaner like that. I mean, I could angle it down a hair, kind of like the factory does. I really do like it like that, flush. So we'll see what we go with, and let's get it done. So the shocks are 11-inch travel shocks. I probably could go with a 12-inch just to get some more droop out of it. But these will work for now. So the shock looks pretty level. The 7 inches off the back of the brake looks pretty good. And I got that set at 5 degrees down. It'll drain a little bit of the water out. Looks really good. Bolt hole is about center of the axle tube. I played with 10 degrees, but it didn't look that great. It looked like a shovel. So we're gonna go with 5 degrees. I really like it. What do you guys think? Leave a comment. Tell me I'm doing it wrong. Something. ground clamp slipped off, busted me in the lip. It's always something onto the passenger side. All right, I'm gonna tack the perches. Try not to get hit in the face. Alright, what do you guys think? Looks nice and straight. I guess I could go over a hair more. I don't know. Looks good though. That one. I like it. Guess that's all that matters. Alright, I'm going to come back tonight and weld up the spring perches and the shock mounts. Hopefully I have enough gas to get it all complete. Pretty. Can't really get the camera. Oh, pretty. Nice welds. I'm going to clean these welds up a little bit. The stop and starts I'll smooth out and then get some spray paint on it and get it back on the truck. What do you think about the welds?
Good.